Hello. So, needless to say, this is the first time I've been soldering in a long time. I'm just trying to get stuff out the way after the kerfuffle just took place here. So, so that now I can get this 4040 down. And put the board back in. So, if you have, oh, hang on, sorry. Sorry, I was getting kind of hot in here. Anyway, if you have watched other things, you'll see the things that I did. And hopefully, oh, good. Nothing like lining the board up backwards. Yes, sirree. Alright, what am I doing here? No, it's upside down and backwards. Okay. So, I don't think I need to connect absolutely everything in this operation, but certainly some. So the two screws at the top are smaller, because they just go straight into some threaded something here. I'm not going to do that up tight. I'm just going to get it in place. Okay. Very good. Alright, the IEEE, I had it. The IEEE connector is, of course, sticking out the back and having some issues. Okay. So now, let me just double check here. Yes, these are the longer screws. They have washer things. I'm going to get the middle one in. Maybe I'll put them all in. It doesn't take that long. And after all this, do I really want to screw this up? Because, as everyone says, let's save time. And generally, what happens when people try and save time is things take 3 times as long. Alright. So, I am some apprehensive to see if this all works out. Okay. One more screw. Okay, so we'll give these just a little tweak. Make sure everything is secure. I don't think I'm going to put the the IEEE things in. I'm just going to look at it. It looks fine. So now, we have no power connected. I'm going to connect all the connections. I think that will be okay. There's the ribbon cable. There's the LED. Discs are in the drive. Just move that a little out of the way. And, assuming that I am brave, I can find a power cord in this in, but we are not on yet. Let's just have one last look. Oh, that's funny. That's screwed. Doesn't look tight. But then, it's funny, it didn't look tight. When I looked at it originally, I thought, well, that doesn't look snug. But, I guess they are the way they are. Because they are snug. Okay, so, you know what, I'm not going to put the lid down. I'm going to leave the lid open. So what we should hear in a moment is the sound of a 4040 coming to life. And that is what we hear. There are no air lights. There is nothing flashing. So, I'm going to turn it off again. And with great care, I'm going to find the far end of this IEEE to IEEE cable, and ever so gently put it on. Then I'm going to turn the drive on. And I'm going to rescue the keyboard. And we have a directory. We have, oh, hello. Did we get D1? We have two directories. Okay. So over here, boy, it's funny how quickly things, here is my test disk. Hello. Are you recording? Are you recording? I put it on tracking focus, and I'm hoping it's recording. Anyway, so soldering iron's in the way. I'm going to load up the torture program. Take this piece out and put it carefully over there. And I'm going to run. Okay, so it is coming up. What am I going to do? I don't think I want the backup to do its thing, so I'm just going to remark that. I'm going to run. Okay, well, it seems, at minimum, I have done no harm. So now I guess we just have to wait. So if this is going to fail, one would think, as it is stone cold, that it would take a little while for it to fail. So I am going to look to turn off things. I just got a lamp to help me look at things as I'm soldering them. That can go off. So I'm hoping that this never fails again, and that one little capacitor is the answer. But of course, we've been here before, haven't we? But anyway, at least from what I can tell, I've not heard anything. So, I am not quite ready to do the dance of joy.
That was easy.
I'm going to turn off extra things here. I'm not sure. Okay, we don't need that on. So, now all there is left is to breathe. So if this fails, then everything that I just did was not the answer. And I will be back in the Twilight Zone. But I am pretty confident that we're okay. I hope. So, stay tuned. Perhaps the saga of the 2040-40-40 overheating is finished. Over. Done with. And yes.
That was easy.
Yeah, that was easy. Alright. Thank you for coming. Bye for now.